Hey guys, it's Angela from the Tech Teach Grow team with another tech tip for you. Today I'm going to show you how you can translate your slides. We've used some different add-ons in Google Slides, however, many of those are now starting to be required payment. PowerPoint has translation automatically built in. So what you can do is if you have a slide deck that you've built in PowerPoint or in Google Slides, you can download as a PowerPoint. And then when you open it up with PowerPoint, you will be able to do translation. So from the home screen, you will click on Review and then Translate. Translation is built in. You can just highlight what you're wanting and the translation comes up. Then you can click Insert and it will change it over. Maintains your formatting and allows you to quickly copy a text box, paste it on the other side of your slide, highlight the text, and insert your translation. Once you are done, you can save it as a PowerPoint. And if you're needing to then re-upload, from here I can do File Upload. I have my translated document PowerPoint. It's now saved in Google Drive with those translations that I can share with my students and families as I would typically. Hope this helps.